In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can sync a PS5 controller. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the easiest way to do this is just by using a USB-C cable. You just plug one end of the cable into your PS5 and then plug the other end into the PS5 controller that you want to sync. As soon as it's connected, you just got to press the PlayStation button on the controller and your PS5 will then ask who's using the controller. Obviously, pick your profile that you want to assign it to. And once you select that profile, the controller is going to be synced and ready to use. You can keep it plugged in if you want, or you can unplug it. And then, of course, then it'll be good for Bluetooth. And this works if you're connecting a second controller for a split screen, multiplayer, just connecting a first controller to play your games like normal, or really just that. That's really the full process. Once again, if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you do leave this guide, if you guys could help us out, we'd greatly appreciate it. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We're super close to 25K at the time we're making this video, and we're hoping to hit it real soon. But yeah, have a great rest of your day. Peace.